Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am very excited to be painting my very first painting of 2023. This is going to be a fantastic year. I can feel it. I'm also very excited because this is my monthly color collaboration with Julie E. The color that we have chosen is silver. It's a nice wintry color, and I built my color palette around that based on the Coco Chanel kind of color palette here. So I've got Artist Loft Silver. I have a custom color here with a mix of Amsterdam Lamp Black, Deco Art, Extreme Sheen Pewter, and two different silvers also. And I'll list that in the description box. And then I have Quinacridone Rose from Amsterdam, and I have Permanent Red Violet Light with from Amsterdam. And I've added a little bit of Golden Fluid Acrylics Quinacridone Magenta. So just a squirt of it, just to deepen that tone a bit, so there was more of a contrast between these two colors. And I'm going to do a pair of flip cups on this 14 by 18 inch canvas. So I will get started with layering my colors. Actually, let me use this color to show you the consistency of my paint. So all of my paints are mixed 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. They do leave a mound on a mound as they run off of the stir stick, and they leave a nice trace that lasts for several seconds. This is the perfect consistency I find for a flip cup. So I will go ahead and start. On both of them, I'm going to start with the pink. So on this one, I'm going to go with the darker pink. And this one, I'm going to start with the lighter pink. And I'm just putting enough in the bottom to cover the bottom. And on this one, I'm using the black. I'm just going to drizzle it across the other color. I don't want that darkness to take over. And then I'll put some silver on top of the darker pink. Nice healthy layer. I want some good cells to come out of that, hopefully. And then we will repeat that order on this side. I'm going to do multiple layers on both of them. Going light, dark, light, dark.
While I waited for the sun to shine, I was crying on my own. It was all a waste of time, all along. Yeah, I waited through the summertime. downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. When I got close, my heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street, the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music go repeat all through the night. And when the music started to fade out, the first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end, so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music go repeat all through the night.
Is my Chanel-inspired flip and lip. I'm really happy with this. I love the motion of this line that comes through here, and I love the motion that comes up this direction, so it kind of changes direction. I'm really happy with this cup. I started with the lightest pink color, and you can tell that section is lighter, and this one I started with the darker pink in the bottom of the cup, and so that is more prominent in this area. So I like that contrast of or that subtle difference between the two sections of the painting. I think this is beautiful. Let me take you in for a close-up. Start down here in this corner. If I can focus, there we go. That silver, oh my gosh, this is going to sparkle like crazy. You can see that the pink is underneath the silver in some of those areas. I'm gonna be really interested in how this dries. But I love the lines that happens when you drag the lip of the cup through it. It brings up more colors from underneath and then stretches them out into these great lines that you can use in your composition to create that motion and depth. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. Yay. First painting of 2023, and I like it. So if you're a fan of pink and Coco Chanel, I think you might like this one. Stay tuned. Oh gosh, am I gonna have time for dry results? Oh, I hope so. If not, Happy New Year, everyone. I'll just say it now. Happy New Year, everyone. And I will post dry results in the next video if I don't have time to get it out in time for the Wednesday premiere train. So thanks again for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.